In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Expedia account. If you no longer use your account or simply want to reduce the number of online profiles you manage, this guide will walk you through the complete process in a clear and careful way so you can close your account properly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Expedia website. Once the homepage loads, sign in using your existing login details. This step is important because account deletion can only be performed while you are logged into the correct profile. Make sure you are using the account you intend to remove before continuing. After signing in, look toward the upper corner of the page where your profile icon is displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the Account section. This will take you to your main account dashboard, where you can manage your personal information and settings. Once you are at your account dashboard, focus on the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. This area contains different categories for managing your account. Click on Security and Settings. This section includes all important controls related to your account configuration and privacy options. Inside the Security and Settings area, scroll down until you reach the Account Management section. Here you will find options that allow you to make major changes to your profile. Look for the Delete Account option and select it. This will begin the account deletion process. At this stage, you may be shown a short feedback form asking why you are leaving the platform. This is optional, and you can choose to complete it or skip it depending on your preference. After that, you will be shown an information page explaining what happens when your account is deleted. It typically states that your booking history, saved data, and profile information will be permanently removed. Once you have reviewed the information, proceed by selecting the option to permanently delete your account. This is the final confirmation step that submits your request. After completing this, a confirmation message will appear on the screen indicating that your account deletion has been processed. To finish, simply acknowledge the message by selecting the confirmation option provided. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Expedia account, and your data will be removed from the system. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.